Hey doulas and reproductive health professionals, let's talk about referral programs. Do you have one for your business? These are such a great way to have your previous clients be referring to your potential future clients. Your current clients are going to be your best leads. Who am I to tell you about this? Well, my name is Bianca Sprague. I'm the founder of bebo. And I've helped thousands of folks who work in fertility, birth, and the postpartum, doulas, lactation educators, childbirth educators, and the like. I've helped them make 5 and 6 figures with their doula businesses. I myself made over $60,000 in my first year, which was back in 2008, y'all. So that was great stuff. And I was single parenting. So I've made a ton of mistakes. I've had tons of wins. I've gathered up all this information and I have brought it all together to help you with your startup or your scale up. Okay, so let's talk about referral programs. Sometimes we can really overthink these things and then we just shy away from them entirely. Now, there are lots of apps and expensive pieces of software that you can set up with referral tracking. You don't have to do that. We have created a little kit here. It's free. You can get that below. You can get that download. You can do this in whatever system you find easiest. We use Google Docs and, because then we can have all of it in one kind of package together. But let's talk about what the referral program would look like. So you need some form of tracking. And I love operations because if you write things once, you only have to do it that like copy and paste. With a referral program, you have a few options. You can either phone your clients or you can email your clients. Back in the day, I used to phone them and I had really great results with that. But I know some people are a little phone shy. I personally don't love getting phone calls and I would respond better to an email. So you have to know your skill set and you have to know what your previous clients would prefer. Okay, so let's talk about your operations. You're going to need a tracking document to track who referred who. I have a sample here that you can check out. It was so cool, some of them, that it would just be this long chain. I had one client who referred over 10 other clients. So the web just got so large. So this is what I'm talking about, that these things can be just so helpful because it's essentially free marketing. Okay. You're going to need your scripts. So if you're doing phone calls, what are you going to say on that phone call? Write it down and ask some questions. So have those questions ready so that you can also do a little bit of market research while you're chatting with them or emailing them. You're also going to need your reward structure tracked. We have a sample also in that package. You can decide whatever that structure is. Now, you're going to look at our sample one and think, wow, sometimes people will get, $5,000 if they refer enough clients. But if we put that in perspective, if somebody is referring 30 clients to you and your rate is about $2,000, that's $60,000. For sure, give a $5,000 thank you. But again, you get to decide, but the more generous your reward structure is, the more likely your clients are going to be incentivized to refer you. So I suggest you generally keep in touch with your clients. You can do this through holiday cards or birthday cards for when the littles that you supported have their first or even second birthdays. I always had really great branded cards and I would write them all for the month and mail them out. Now, as we grew, sometimes there'd be 10 or 15, 20 cards in a month, but it did keep us front of mind to get these branded cards. Then it's not so out of the blue when you go back and you see how they're doing and discuss your referral program with them. Setting up a referral program or really developing a strong brand within your community, it means it's all about relationships. And the trick is to really nurture and keep in touch and continue to add value to your clients. So if you've written a blog that might be something for a little bit older children, like we're getting into maybe potty training conversations, email that out to your clients and say, hey, I thought this might be helpful. You're coming up to that time. And this is how you're going to have your brand be something that continues to support them and their family. And they'll be happy to refer other folks to you when they know their friends are going through their fertility, pregnancies, births, or postpartum periods. Here at bebo, we have so many tools to help you grow your business. And one of them is through the same concept of relationship building. And it is all about getting those testimonials and reviews. And this is something that most most small businesses feel really nervous and they're not really sure how to make that happen. So we have built an incredible bite-sized, easy to digest course called How You Can Grow Your Business Fast with Rave Reviews. You can click right below here to get that as well. We highly recommend it. We have so many great tools over in our business shop, and we keep all of our courses, tools, and packs at a really affordable rate so that they can be an excellent tool for you in your small business. While you're here, subscribe, hit that like button, leave us a comment, and let us know, how did it go setting up your referral program? We'd love to hear any of your questions too. We have so much happening on our YouTube channel and our Instagram, and we're happy to have you in the community.